So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you make a game using PyGame, that is a Python based library, in VS Code. Firstly let's move now VS Code. VS Code, and then what we will do is we will just create a simple file that will be named as app.py. Then let's first do some basic setup. Open your terminal and then what you have to type is pip install PyGame. This will take some seconds. Since I have already installed this, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, then what you have to do is just simply type import PyGame. We will load some examples from this. Pygame.examples. You can see a list of examples here. These are the pre-built games in this, but we will take aliens game as aliens. Okay, and then aliens dot main, and then just run this. See, this is a pre-built game inside this. Just save this file and run this. Python app.py. With some other examples like just remove this aliens and then again type dot. You will see a list of examples here. I will be going with camera 1. Import pygame.examples.camera as cam, and then cam.main, and then just save this and rerun this again. Just a second guys. You can see this is capturing my frame, but I have not allowed this camera access to this, so it is not showing my image. But anyways, you can also go with other examples like this. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.